Hello, in this session we'll learn number series. So guys, please stay tuned because last few minutes is very important for you. And those who are new to my channel, please subscribe. In number series, you must observe two things. Either it is increment or decrement. So, if we talk about decrement operations, then if the next value decrement with a minimum amount of value, then there is minus operation. Or if the next value suddenly decrement with a huge maximum number, then there is a division operation. Clear? And on the other hand, when we talk about increment operation, if the next value is increment with minimum number, then there is addition operation. Or if the next value suddenly increment with a maximum values, then there may be multiplication or square or cubic operation or many more operation may be there. So in this sessions we will learn, I will discuss all the possible operations with an appropriate example. So let's start. This is the example and we have to find the next value which will be for this blank. So first here the next value, first value is 1 and next value is 2 and it is 4. So it is increment operation is there and it is increment by a minimum number of value. So it is, if we add plus 1, then next value appear and plus 2, plus 3, plus 4, plus 5. So it will be plus 6. So 16 plus 6 equal to 22. 22 will be the value for this blank. And in the next case, what is the next case? 1, 2, 3, 5 and 5. These types of case, you always remember one thing, that is that is 1 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, it will be plus 2. 7 plus 2 equal to 9. Here is 2 blank is there. So we see that the value is increment like that and the middle value is increment with like 3 plus 5 plus 3. So it will be 8 plus 3 means 11. Clear? So the value for those blank is 11 and 9. For the next case, it is 196, 169, 144, 121 and easily it is clear that each of the number is square of a value, that is it is 11 square, it is 12 square, it is 13 square, it is 14 square. So suddenly it is decrement 14, 13, 12, 11. So it will be 10 square means 100. Clear? And for the next example, it is one another type of questions. You have to find out the mismatch number. From this list, we have to find out the mismatch value. Okay. It is 9 square, 8 square, 7 square, 6 square. So basically it will be 5 square and it is 4 square. So it is right. But for this 5 square, here is 25 is given. So the mismatch value will be 24. It will be 25. And what is the next is 9, 19. So increment operation is there. It is clear that 9 into 2 plus 1 equal to 19. Similarly, 19 into 2 plus 1. If we put it, then it is wrong. It will be wrong. So the value will be like that. 19 into 38, 38 minus 1, 37. So first plus operation, then minus operation. So it will be, basically it will be 37 into 2 plus 1. Clear? And it will be 75 into 2 minus 1. So for this, it will be 149 into 2 plus 1 means plus 1 equal to 299. Clear? But I have a request, you have to practice more at your home to solve this number series, and we will continue with our another example. So here is first value is 3, second value is 3, and third value is 6. So 3, it is like into 1, and it is like into 2, into 3, into 4. So it will be basically into 5. 360. And here 2, 5 means increment operation. 2, 5 means increment means plus 3. It is It is 6, increment by 6. So increment with maximum value. So multiplication operation is there. Have to check multiplication. Means 2 into 2 minus 1. 2 into 2, sorry, plus 1. And here 5 into 2 plus 1. So it will be 11 into 2 plus 1 equal to 23. And here 23 into 2 plus 1. Clear? Okay. Now going to our next problem, and it is one of the most vital and most critical problem. Like here 25, 25, 27, 22. Increment, whether it is increment or decrement operations, it is very difficult to understand. For these types of questions, you always remember you starting from the second one. Clear? So if we take its second one, 25, and it is 27. 25, 27. Sorry. 25, 22. So minus 3, and here it is minus 3. Clear? Similarly, it is minus 3. For this previous example, I just left it. So here 25 plus 2, it is plus 3, and it is plus 4. So similarly it will be plus 5. 34 plus 5 equal to 39. So 39 will be the answer. Moving to our next is 2359, means clearly it is increment operations, but the value is increment with a large number. So here is 2 into 2 minus 1, and it is 3 into 2. Three into 2 minus 1, and it is 5 into 2 minus 1. Similarly 9 into 2 minus 1, and 17 into 2 minus 1, and so it will be 33 into 2 minus 1, means 65. Clear? But you have to practice more. And our next example, 35915. 35915 means it is increment operations. That is 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 4, 9 plus 6, increment by 2. So it will be 8. It will be 10. It will be 12. Clear? Moving to our next problem. And those who have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe your channel, Tricky Boy. And it is decrement operation is there. So 210195 means minus 15, and it is minus 20. So it will be minus 25, and it will be minus 30. So it will be minus 35. Clear? So minus 35 equal to 85. Clear? Next one, high value. It is 240 means high value. So multiplication operation is there. So 2 into 2 equal to 4, 4 into 3 equal to 12, 12 into 4 equal to 48, 48 into 5 equal to 240. So it will be into 6. One four four zero, and our last example is, but you have a request, do practice more at your home to solve this number series at your exam. And you must hit the like button. And it is increment and it is decrement operation. Clear? So in this types of case, I always recommend to starting from, so it is 8 into 3 equal to 24 and it is 12. So 24 divided by 2 equal to 12. So first multiplication operation, then division operation. So it will be multiplication operation. It will be multiplication operation. 36, and again it will be division operation. 18. Clear? So it will be multiplication operation. Clear? I hope after watching this video you can easily calculate number series at your exam. Thank you for watching the video.